Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It was just 1 year ago today that me and some of my friends celebrated this box, the Betty Crocker recipe box. We all made a recipe from this box, and guess what? Now it's time to celebrate again. It's been a year. Happy Bettyversary.
Happy Bettyversary.
Happy Bettyversary.
Happy Bettyversary.
Happy Bettyversary. Oh, my nose.
Last year I made quite a doozy of a dish. I made a jellied chicken dish. Oh yes. And this year I'm going to be making something from the section of the box called Recipes Children Can Make. So I think I can handle that. I'm going to be making this pizza with a hamburger crust. I need a bowl and a pound of ground beef and a half a cup of dried breadcrumbs, some salt, a little oregano. I'm going to mix that together. I'm going to put about a half a cup of tomato sauce in there. Mix that in there. I'm going to spread this on a pizza pan. Like this. Yum! I'm going to pour some more of that tomato sauce on top. Next comes some drained kidney beans. Very interesting. I'm cutting some mozzarella cheese slices into strips. Then I arrange them in a crisscross shape. It says it takes 20 minutes on 425. So meaty. Time to taste. That's fun. It's good. The beef actually has like an Italian sausage taste to it, I think, due to the oregano. It's pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. Much better than the jellied chicken I made last year. I like it. Thank you, Betty Crocker, for giving us such fun, unique recipes. Now I'm so curious. What are my friends gonna make?
I'm making raspberry ring with creamy fruit.
I'm making coconut chews.
I'm making oven porcupines.
We're making oatmeal squares. Be right back.
I went to the butcher to get some ground beef, but instead I got cuts of moose. It was a big moose steak.